There are yachts that look expensive. And then there is Whisper, a 95-meter floating world that was built for a billionaire lifestyle so extravagant that even its sale price sounds almost unreal. Now the yacht has returned to the market with an asking price of $149 million, roughly $170 million. But the biggest question isn't what Whisper is worth. It's why Eric Schmidt is selling it. The former Google CEO acquired the yacht in 2023 after it had spent years cruising under another famous name, Kismet. Now, after becoming Schmidt's private superyacht and undergoing further work, Whisper is once again looking for a new owner. And when you see what is packed inside this 312-foot vessel, the price starts to make a little more sense. Whisper was delivered in 2014 by Lürssen, one of Germany's most respected superyacht builders. The exterior was designed by Espen Eno International, while Raymond Langton Design created the interior. Together, they produced something that feels less like a conventional yacht and more like a private resort designed to move across the ocean. At 95, 2 meters long and nearly 14 meters wide, Whisper has 2,928 gross tons of interior and exterior volume. That's enough space to create multiple worlds across her decks. And this yacht wasn't designed simply for getting from one destination to another. It was designed for entertaining. One of the first details that changes your perception of Whisper is the number of spaces dedicated to relaxation and entertainment. There is a swimming pool with an integrated jacuzzi on the sun deck. There are expansive outdoor areas for dining and lounging, and there are even 2 helicopter landing areas. But the real luxury isn't necessarily the individual features. It's the way everything has been connected into one private environment. Inside, the yacht has a dramatic double-height main salon, giving the central living area the kind of scale you'd normally expect from a luxury hotel rather than a private vessel. There is also a cinema room, a full-service spa, gym facilities, and spaces designed to open the interior toward the sea. Some areas can transform depending on how the owner wants to use the yacht. One moment, Whisper can feel like a quiet private retreat. The next, it can become a floating entertainment venue. And that's exactly what the original design was intended to accomplish. Whisper was created as an entertainment-focused superyacht for family, friends, and guests. The yacht can accommodate up to 12 guests in 7 cabins, supported by a crew of around 27 people. That crew is critical. Because owning a yacht this large isn't simply about buying a boat. It means operating a highly complex private hospitality business at sea. Engineers, deck crew, chefs, stewards, and other specialists are required to keep everything running, and Whisper has been built around that reality. Her maximum speed is reported at around 16 knots, while her large steel hull and aluminum superstructure give her the presence expected from a serious ocean-going superyacht. But speed was never the main attraction. The real selling point is what happens when she stops. Imagine arriving somewhere in the Mediterranean, anchoring offshore, and suddenly having your own private resort surrounding you. A pool, a spa, a cinema, dining areas, helicopter facilities, water toys, private suites, and virtually no strangers unless you invite them. That is the appeal of the modern superyacht. You're not simply purchasing transportation, you're purchasing privacy. And Whisper takes that philosophy seriously. The yacht has also earned recognition for its design. She won in her category at the 2015 World Superyacht Awards, reinforcing the fact that her appeal isn't based only on size or luxury. Her design was carefully engineered and professionally recognized. But there is another fascinating part of Whisper's story. Before Eric Schmidt owned her, the yacht was known as Kismet. She was originally associated with billionaire Shahid Khan, and the vessel became recognizable among the global superyacht crowd. Then in 2023, the yacht was sold through Christie Yachts. The new owner was Eric Schmidt, and the vessel eventually became Whisper. Now, just a few years later, Schmidt is putting it back on the market. The asking price is $149 million. That's an enormous number. But there is an important distinction. An asking price is not the same thing as a final sale price. The yacht is being offered at that figure, but there is no guarantee that a future buyer will actually pay exactly that amount. And as for the reason Schmidt is selling, that's where the story becomes more interesting. No confirmed public explanation has established why he decided to put Whisper up for sale. So any claim that he is selling because of a specific financial, personal, or business reason would be speculation. What we do know is that the yacht is now officially being marketed to another ultra-high net worth buyer. And for someone with the resources to spend around $170 million on a yacht, Whisper offers something very few vessels can. A proven design, a prestigious builder, award-winning styling, massive interior volume, and a complete luxury experience already built and ready to sail. There's also another way to understand the price. Chartering Whisper can reportedly cost around $1.2 million per week during the high season, before additional expenses. That means even spending a single week aboard this yacht costs more than many homes. But buying Whisper means something entirely different. It means owning the environment, owning the schedule, owning the privacy, and having the ability to disappear from the world whenever you want. That's what makes this sale so fascinating, because behind the $149 million asking price isn't just a yacht. It's a floating private universe that has already belonged to one of the world's most recognizable technology billionaires. And now, someone else could soon take the keys. The question is no longer whether Whisper is luxurious enough. The question is who will be wealthy enough and willing enough to make this 95-meter giant their own. If you enjoyed going inside the world's most extraordinary billionaire possessions, subscribe to Billionaire Files. Because the next fortune might already be floating offshore.